Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your JBL Flip 6 is not charging and what you can actually do. So the first thing that you can try is that change the adapter if you can. Also look in where you're like charging in, if there is going to be some dirt or anything like that. Also try to change the outlet from in the wall, like change the different outlet. Maybe that is going to work out. If this doesn't work out, what you can try to do now is to like factory reset. So I don't know if you already did that, but what you need to do, and this is simple, you just want to press and hold the play button and with the volume up the plus button at the same time when the product is going to be turned on. So you just want to hold the play button and then you just want to hold the plus button at the same time and see if it's going to work out. If also this is not going to work out, what you can then try to do when it's going to be, let's say, turned off, press the play button, volume up button and volume down button at the same time and just hold it for like 15 seconds and maybe that is going to work out. So thank you very much. Let me know down below in comments if it helped you and have a great day and goodbye.